Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gentle Media. In this video I'm going to show you a plugin that allows you to add your phone webcam into OBS. All right, so this app or this software is built majorly for OBS users and it works perfectly with OBS without lag. All right, and do you know the sweetest thing about this app? You can actually reduce and increase your brightness, and you can actually zoom. Okay, now if you click on this ev right here, you can see it. I can actually increase my brightness, I can actually reduce it, and see it right there. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add your phone webcam into OBS using this plugin. So if this is your first time on my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, and if you are a returning subscriber, kindly like and share this video as well. Drop your comments if you have any question. All right, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the tutorial. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media. Alright, so this is my OBS right here. If I click on my plus sign under my sources, you can see this is a plugin, DroidCam OBS. Alright, so let's go ahead and download the plugin. So I'll be dropping the link in the description of this video. Alright, so once you click the link, it will take you to this interface. Alright, the name of the plugin is DroidCam OBS. Alright, DroidCam for OBS. Okay, now this is it right here. This is the page. You can see how it looks like. This is just a preview of how it works and how it looks like. All right, so once you are here, kindly scroll down till you see this install the DroidCam OBS plugin. All right, so you click it and then you click on Windows. If you are downloading for Windows, if you are downloading for Linux, or if you are downloading for Mac, whichever one, just select it. I'll select Windows right here. I'll click this one right here, and then the download will start automatically. All right, so once the download is complete, in case you get this message unverified download blocked, all you need to do is just to click it and then you select download unverified file. All right, so once the download is complete, go ahead and restart your OBS. Okay, so you're going to close the OBS and you are going to reopen it. So once you reopen your OBS, you click the plus sign under your sources, you should see the DroidCam OBS right here. So this is the plugin we just downloaded. All right, now you are going to download the app on your phone. Okay, DroidCam OBS. If you are using an Android, you can get it on your Play Store. If you are using Mac, go to your Apple Store. All right, and then you can download the DroidCam OBS. So let me quickly show you. All right, so if I go to my Play Store and I can search for DroidCam OBS, you can see it right here. I already have it installed on my phone. All right, but all you need is just to install it. Okay, so once you've installed it, go ahead and open it. So I'm going to open mine right here, DroidCam. Can see it. The only thing you need here is just this Wi-Fi IP, this IP address. That's what we need. All right, so let me quickly head over to my OBS to add the scene. Let me just name it as camera, let's say camera 1 or whichever name. Hit OK and then click the plus sign under the sources, and then I'm going to select the plugin, right? DroidCam OBS. Okay, so I'm going to select it. If you want, you can actually give it a name. If you don't want, you can just hit OK. All right, now the resolution, you can see default is on 640 480, but if you want to make use of the 1920 1080 or the 1280 by 720, is you have to pay for the pro version. All right, but this one actually works. All right, so once you are here, the video format, just leave it on this H264 right here, this AVC H264 device, use Wi-Fi IP. Okay, now once you scroll down, you see this Wi-Fi IP. Yes, here you are going to type in this IP address you are seeing on your screen. Right, so I'm going to type it 192.168.1.98. All right, so once you type it, go ahead and click this activate. Click on the activate, and then your DroidCam will be activated. Ensure they are connected to the same network. All right, for it to work, ensure you connect your phone and your PC to the same network. All right, so you can see the camera has been added. All right, so I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to make it to cover the screen by pressing Ctrl F to fit the screen or Ctrl S to stretch to screen. You can see the difference. Ctrl F is not covering the whole screen, but the Ctrl S, it stretches it to the screen. All right, so I'm going to lock it. So you can see it. You can see how it's working perfectly. You can see my hand right there. You can see it. I see it right there. Okay, so I can actually send it to my output screen. So you can see, and guess what? This doesn't lag. And in case you are using it and it disconnects, all you need to do is just to double click on it. The plugin, all you need to do is just to double click on it under the source, just double click on it, and then you are going to deactivate, and then you activate back. All right, so in case it's not working, or in case your network, you have a network problem and your signal, you lost your signal, all you need is just to deactivate and activate, and then hit OK. All right, so you can see it right there. You can see how it works. You can see how fast it is. It doesn't lag. It works very smooth. And do you know the sweetest thing about this app? You can actually reduce and increase your brightness, and you can actually zoom. Okay, now if you click on this EV right here, you can see it. I can actually increase my brightness. I can actually reduce it. I see it right there. I can actually reduce and increase it. And if you want to change your white balance, you click on this AWB. Your other white balance you can actually make use of. Okay, this one I don't even need it. Just leave it on this. Okay, there are options here. If you want this, you can select it. If you want the one fluorescent, you can select it. Or if you want the auto, you can just put it on auto. All right, so if you want to zoom it, you can see this plus sign right here. If you click the plus sign, you can actually use it to zoom. You can see it right there. You can actually use it to zoom. All right, so this is how to add your webcam into OBS using the OBS Cam plugin. All right, so if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. All right, share this video with your friends and your loved ones. Okay, drop your question if you have any question at the comment section. All right, if you want to join my WhatsApp group, the link is in the description of this video. Which video should I drop next? Which tutorial should I record next? Let me know at the comment section. All right, so see you in my next video. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media.